guys, this is your girl Skittle Rivers, and I'm showing you this is some roast that I've cut up, and I'm cooking it on the grill. So I'm just showing you guys the process. And if you want healthy eating, then this George Foreman grill. I've been putting pork chops and things like that on this grill. And so yeah, I've been cooking pork chops on the grill and for healthy eating. And honey, those are the best pork chops that I've ever eaten. So that's basically what I've been doing. Been trying to cut back on all the fattening food and the greasy food. So I just started putting everything on the grill. So you guys just stay tuned, and I'll come back and just finish process the cooking. Okay. While the food is slowly processing, I have flipped it over. So what I'm going to do now, I love butter, a little light butter. So I'm gonna add some butter on top of it to give it that butter flavor. Now, I've only added the appropriate amount, so now I'm going to put the lid back down and just do this stew. So you guys just stay tuned. Look at all the grease, all the unprocessed fat and grease that I saved from frying it. Let me pull it out first. Look at all that grease. Unnecessary, unhealthy eating. So you guys just stay tuned. I will be back. So this here is some brown gravy that I preserved. That when I have made some gravy chicken. Now I made this gravy homemade, and I'm just reheating it so I can pour it over my mashed potatoes that I'm gonna have with this, and I'm pouring over the meat as well. So you guys just stay tuned, and I'll be back for final review, let y'all see my final result. That gravy smells good. I homemade it. If you'd like to know how I make my gravy mix, then leave comments down in the description bar. And your girl will be back shortly. Well, I decided not to do the mashed potatoes, so here's the meat, and here's the gravy. So there you have it, a healthy roast with gravy, grilled roast with gravy. There you have it. So you guys stay tuned. I'm about to eat, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Leave any comments down below, and let me know what you guys think. Bye.